afternoon, guys. Happy Sunday. So this is going to be a self-care Sunday vlog. I really need to take a moment for myself. So that's what I'm going to do. So what I have planned to do to, feel better, because my body hurts, y'all. Like, I'm in a lot of pain right now. I've been ibuprofen like an addict today. Between yesterday and today, I have my brace on my hand because my hand hurts really, really bad. And I had a braid client yesterday. My hand was hurting prior to the braid client, so it's kind of like, you know, still got to do the client. Like, I can't not do the client. And then I think my workouts yesterday, I'm sore from that as well, because we have no days off. Like, even with a full day, I still made it to the gym. So, we trying to get our body as healthy as possible. Like, it's a lifestyle change. I'm not just in the gym trying to get fine and tone and whatnot. Like, I actually, want to be healthy overall. So, for this reset, I am going to do my feet. I'm going to soak them because I did stand for 10, 11 hours yesterday. So I'm definitely going to soak them. I'm going to redo my acrylic on my big toe and repolish them. And then I'm going to bathe in my new honey pot products. And yeah, let's get to it.
Mama crying, I saw daddy lying. Had to sacrifice and leave my fears behind. One, two, oh. So sweet, I give you kisses in the backseat. I whisper secrets in the backbeat. You make me cry, you make me happy, happy. Leave my lipstick on the cigarette, toss it and you stomp it out, out, out. Inhaling whiskey when you kiss my neck. We've been hurting, but it's happy out, oh, oh. They haven't got me, and they never will. And sometimes I hold you closer just to know you're real. Wheels in the gravel, Davis in my bones. Sometimes I take the day off just to turn you on. Honey, honey, I could be your bodyguard. Oh, honey, honey, I could be your Kevlar. Oh, honey, honey, I could be your lifeguard. Oh, honey, honey, you should let me ride shotgun, shotgun. Oh, be your best friend. I'll protect you in the mosh pit, and I'll defend you in the gossip. You know how people like to start shit and pop shit. I don't like the way she's looking at you. Someone better hold me back. Oh, charging 10 for a double and I'm talking. I'm about to lose it, turn around and John Wayne that ass. They couldn't catch you, and they never will. You see, sometimes I hold you closer just to know you're real. Tell me your problems, I got you. I'll take how you feel. I'll show you an exit when you're restless. I'll take the wheel. Oh, honey, honey, you could be my bodyguard. Oh, honey, honey, will you let me ride shotgun, shotgun, oh.
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Problem, my problem, that's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit is my problem.